Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm gonna be making some lime, garlic, and ginger tea. It's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna be using garlic, lime, and ginger. It's gonna be a simple recipe. All right, something where I know you guys gonna love it. So we got 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put it straight inside of our cup right there. And we got roughly about 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, just so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get it. All right, hold on the first, just a second. So I got fresh grated ginger, and it's roughly about a teaspoon of the fresh grated ginger, to be honest with you. All right, and this is how it look. I use a fresh one, fresh grated ginger. Then right here I have also half of a lime. I'm gonna squeeze it inside of it. All right, yeah. This is amazing. All right, and I would encourage you guys to give this a try at home. Honestly, you will see the difference. All right, I got organic honey, which I like to use. Then what I'm gonna do before I go any further, I'm going to get some hot water and put this inside of it like this. All right, now I'm gonna get roughly about half a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it, and then we're going to give this a sweeten. Now what you want to do, you want to drink this in the morning. You want to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach or before you go to bed. What you want to do, cover it like this and leave it for a few minutes. All right, honestly, but I'm gonna tell you something. The benefit of this is an amazing. All right, so the benefit I will put in the description box. After a few minutes, remove it and drink it. Stay tuned for more tips from Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, honestly, it's amazing. All right, and I will tell you something, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful, and I know you guys will love this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I'll see you next time with more tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Bye bye for now.